Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you and your loved one will be safe and sound with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today's our topic is Wakar's honesty. This word contains words. This topic contains two words. Wakar's honesty. Here we can see that this symbol, this is called the apostrophe. It is used for showing the possessions, and second one is the honesty. What's the meaning of the honesty? Honesty is basically is an act of sincerity in doing work without any purpose of deceiving anyone. This act is called the honesty. It means honesty is the sincerity. Showing the honesty, what will bring for us? It means what's the purpose, what's the benefit of the honesty to us. Honesty brings confidence in ourselves, make us guilt free, and we can easily say that we are sincere, we are honest in our dealing, and we are not doing anything for any misuse, for any greedy purpose. Dear students, we have to deal different kinds of the person in our life. We deal different kinds of the actions in our daily life. But what we have to do? We have to remain honest and sincere in our efforts, so that we can get the good reward from the creator of the universe. It means from the God, from the Allah Almighty. Dear students, every person have the different kinds of the actions in his daily life, and everyone has his own story of honesty. And what you have to do, you have to share an act of honesty with your parents and siblings or any other member of your family. Let's try to start this lesson. Topic is Wakar's honesty. It's a story of a school child, and let's try to understand. It was a very hot day when the school ended. All the students were going back to their homes. Wakar was also going home. He found his bag very heavy. He saw some of his classmates enjoying drinks and biscuits. It was a very hot day. What was the day? Very hot. It means बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म दिन था, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी. When the school ended, जब स्कूल से छुट्टी हुई, all the students were going back to their homes. तमाम तलबा अपने घरों को जा रहे थे. Wakar was also going home. It means Wakar is also among of them who were going to their homes. He found his bag very heavy. उसने अपने बैग को बहुत ज़्यादा वज़नी पाया. बस्ते को, बैग में बस्ता. He saw some of his classmates enjoying drinks and biscuits. He saw some of his classmates. Classmates mean class fellows. उसने अपने कुछ दोस्तों को, हम जमायतों को देखा जो मशरूबात और बिस्किट से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो रहे थे. Why am I poor and why don't I have money? Why was I born in a poor family? He thought. It means when he saw his classmates, and two questions arose in his mind. What was the first question? Why am I poor and why don't I have money? मैं गरीब क्यों और मेरे पास पैसे क्यों नहीं हैं? Why was I born in a poor family? मैं एक गरीब ख़ानदान में क्यों पैदा हुआ? He thought. उसने सोचा. He was walking and thinking all about money. वो अपने तमाम रास्ते यानी कि चलते हुए तमाम रास्ते में सिर्फ पैसों के बारे में सोचता था. बट द वेरी नेक्स्ट मोमेंट अ थॉट केम टू हिज माइंड दैट वी शुड थैंक अल्लाह अलमाइटी ऑल द टाइम. फिर अगले ही लम्हे यानी कि थोड़ी ही देर बाद यानी कुछ लम्हों बाद एक आइडिया उसके जहन में ही आया या एक ख्याल उसके जहन में आया दैट वी शुड थैंक अल्लाह अलमाइटी ऑल द टाइम, कि हमें हर वक्त क्या करना चाहिए. वी शुड थैंक अल्लाह अलमाइटी ऑल द टाइम. हमें हर वक्त अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए. एज ही वॉज वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स होम ही सा हिज फ्रेंड अम्मार कमिंग टूवर्ड्स हिम ऑन अ बाइसाइकिल एंड पास बाय विदाउट नोटिसिंग हिम. एज ही वॉज वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स हिम, जैसे ही वो अपने घर की तरफ चल रहा था, उसने देखा कि उसका एक दोस्त अमार जो उसकी तरफ बाईसाइकिल पर यानी कि साइकिल पर उसके पास आ रहा है. एंड पास बाय विदाउट नोटिसिंग हिम, और वो वहाँ से गुजर गया उसको देखे बगैर. ही सीम्ड इन अ हरी, ऐसा लगता था जैसे कि वकार का दोस्त क्या है, जल्दी में. इन अ हरी मीन जल्दी. Dear students, what you have to do? You have to underline the first difficult words. Then you have to write the meaning of those difficult words. At this page, the first one is the heavy, and another word we can have classmates, thought, past, noticing, seemed, towards, dear students, you have to underline these words on your books and you have to write the meaning of these words on your book. Okay, next page is page number 26 and next one is the 27. And today's our task is about doing the reading and learning the word synonyms and understanding the concept of honesty. After doing the reading of the page number 25, what we have to do? We have to do the answer of the oral questions one by one. How was the day? How was the day? The day was, in other words, you can say that it was a very hot day. Second one, where were the students going when the school ended? Students कहाँ जा रहे थे जब स्कूल खत्म हुआ यानी कि स्कूल से छुट्टी होगी. How was the car's bag? कार का बैग कैसा था या उसमें क्या चीज़ थी? Should we thank Allah Almighty? क्या हमें अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए? What did वकार think about money? वकार ने पैसों के बारे में क्या सोचा? Who were enjoying the drinks and biscuits? Yes, we observed that there were some students who were enjoying the drinks and biscuits. Who was coming on a bicycle? Who is Ammar? Dear students, these are the 8 questions. You have to find out the answer of these questions from after reading the book page number 25. Our next part is about the word synonyms. In word synonyms, we have some words. First one will be the heavy. also, classmates, burn, thought, towards, past, towards, okay, it's repeated, noticing, seemed. Dear students, what you have to do? आपने क्या करना है? You have to find out the synonyms after understanding the first page of the page number 25. Dear student, for your ease, I mentioned the synonyms of few words. Let's see what are they. Point number 1, heavy, weighty, burden, also, as well, and to. Just point number 1, heavy, वज़नी, also, be, classmates, हम जमात, बान, पैदाइश, thought, ख्याल, towards, जानिब, पास, गुजर जाना, towards, जानिब, noticing, मुशाहिदा करना या देखना या ऑब्जर्व करना, seemed, लगना या ऐसा देखना. Weighty, heavy means weighty, burdenize. Also, as well, classmates, we can say that class fellows. Born, पैदा होना. Birth, you can say that thought, opinion or thinking. Towards, headed for, directed, you can say that. Past, गुजर जाना, moved on. Towards, noticing, observing, seemed, appeared. Dear students, you have to do, and the words which are missing here, you have to find out the meanings of these words, then you can do this activity easily. And next we have the question answer. First question is, which things did Waqar want to get with money? Yes, when he saw his class fellows while enjoying the biscuits and drinks, an idea came into his mind that he should also have the money. Dear students, वकार कौन सी चीज़ों को खरीदना चाहता था? जब उसने ये ख्याल कैसे आया? जब उसने अपने दोस्तों को देखा बिस्किट्स और मशरूबात को पीते हुए, यानी कि जूस को, यू कैन से दैट, जूस को पीते हुए देखा, कि उसके दिल में क्या ख्याल आया? पैसों का ख्याल आया. यू कैन रिलेट द आंसर विद दिस क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड वन, शुड वी थैंक टू अल्लाह, येस और नॉट? क्या हमें अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए? Yes, we should be thankful to Allah Almighty. Third one is, do you act upon your teacher's advice? How? क्या आप अपने टीचर्स के एडवाइस पर अमल करते हैं? If you do, then yes, we act upon our teacher's advice. How? Then you have to tell how you act, how you follow your teachers. We follow our teachers by obeying his instructions, by doing his work accordingly, and we can act upon our teacher's advice in many ways. Dear students, you have to write the answer of these questions in your own words. If you have the problem, then you can ask me by commenting. Thank you.